Hi everyone, welcome to Saas Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to set your own password in Ultraviewer so you can control access to your device with a fixed password instead of the random one. Step 1. Open Ultraviewer on your PC and look for the key icon in the interface. It's usually near the ID and password section on the main screen. Step 2. Click on the key icon to open the password settings window. This is where you can manage and customize your Ultraviewer access settings. Step 3. In the password field, type in your preferred password. This will replace the default random password with one that you've chosen yourself. Step 4. Be sure to create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, or symbols. This helps protect your remote access from unauthorized users. Step 5. If you ever want to remove or change your password, just go back to the same settings and delete or update the password in the field. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro.